Hi guys, so today we'll be making slime. So we're going to add as much slime as you want with shampoo, but not that much. About that much. I'm not going to be making a lot of this. We're going to add this for extra support. So come out. Okay, good enough. Okay, then tablespoon of baking soda. 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of bubbles, and about 30 drops of these. So 30 drops, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, mix that in a little bit. Make that like pearly. Then you're gonna add, again, no bubbles, never mind. No bubbles. And all the stuff we used plus baking soda, which I don't have another spoon, so I can't use this one. So then you're just gonna add about a tablespoon of baking soda. And you're going to mix that in as well with your slime. And if you want to, you can keep it this pearly color. Depends what lotion. Or you can add food coloring. I'm going to add, to just keep it like this. You have to mix it around. Do all that, play with it. And if it's not your consistency that you want, just add a little bit more, that 5 drops. And then like a little bit more of that. Then we're gonna mix it together. And if you keep adding this too, and soon this one will form slime. So this one works already because it's working for me. Like, all you have to do is put it in the freezer for 24 hours, and it will be perfect. And then it'll be slime. So yeah, this is really easy. This is the easiest one we've had.